Welcome to today's episode, where we're diving into the fascinating world of arts and culture, packed with some mind-blowing and unexpected facts that will leave you in awe. Let's uncover the wonders that make our world so rich and extraordinary. 1. The oldest art ever discovered. In 2019, scientists unearthed the world's oldest known artwork on Sulawesi, an Indonesian island. This masterpiece, believed to be created a staggering 44,000 years ago, depicts a hunting scene blending humans and mythical animals. 2. The origin of the sandwich. Ever wondered where the humble sandwich got its name? It's all thanks to the 4th Earl of Sandwich in the 18th century, who reportedly loved eating meat between bread while gambling. 3. Tweets galore. Every second, 9,310 tweets are sent out worldwide. Imagine the sheer volume of thoughts, ideas, and memes flying through cyberspace. 4. France. The tourism champion France takes the crown as the world's most visited country, attracting 90 million visitors annually. And the runner-up, Spain, with its sun-soaked beaches and vibrant culture. 5. Digital dominance. Did you know that 92% of the world's currency exists only in digital form? Most of the money we think we have is just numbers on a screen. 6. A statue that towers above all India's Statue of Unity stands a jaw-dropping 579 feet tall, making it the tallest statue in the world. For context, that's almost twice the height of the Statue of Liberty. 7. Biodiversity brilliance in Brazil is home to the greatest biodiversity on the planet, boasting over 50,000 species of plants and trees, a true treasure trove of life. 8. The Mona Lisa's secret. Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa has no eyebrows. Historians believe this may have been a trend at the time, or a result of the painting's deterioration. 9. The color that changed art forever. In the 19th century, synthetic ultramarine, a vivid blue, became widely available, revolutionizing painting. Before this, blue pigments were so expensive they were often reserved for depicting religious icons. 10. The Eiffel Tower's surprising talent. The Eiffel Tower, a symbol of France, expands and contracts depending on the temperature. On a hot day, it can grow up to 15 centimeters taller. The world of arts and culture is a tapestry woven with incredible stories, awe-inspiring creations, and surprising twists. These facts remind us of how humans have expressed, innovated, and shaped the world across millennia. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders around you.